Please subscribe to our channel. Let's welcome PRS Health. This video explains to you how to lose weight fast and how quickly can you lose weight. And is that even possible to lose weight fast? Still, it is difficult. Weight can be lost quickly. Many people's journeys throughout weight loss are very hard things. It is not always easy. You might have seen people doing it very effortlessly. Maybe that is not the case with all. Weight loss should be gradual as weight gain. However, you might have the processing of 10 to 11 days or a month and you can't pay to take your sweet own time to lose weight. Therefore, for people who are looking for a swift and fast weight loss, here are a few extreme tips. Though it might be hard to carry out, the impact is going to be capable enough. The first thing is consumption of fruits and vegetables. People often undervalue the value of fruits and vegetables due to their taste. They might not taste like pizza or burgers. Maybe they are worthy of giving it a chance for an effective weight loss. You know that GM Motors have arranged a plan for their employees that includes just fruits and vegetables. This category of diet is termed as negative calorie diet. The more you eat it, the more your calories will be burned. However, there are exceptions too. For example, fruits like mango and chiku would not serve the goal. The second thing is super small meals. Break your meals down to 6 from 3. This way you are simply keeping your digestive system very active. This way the metabolism is not allowed to rest at all. In improvement to that, drink a glass of water before every meal. Also consume water after 1 hour of your meal. The third thing is fatty diets. It is not easy at all possible to avoid fats completely. Fat is an essential nutrient that is used by the body whenever you hunger. Hence, instead of avoiding fats completely, just avoid polysaturated and unsaturated fats. Go only for good fats. The fourth thing is calorie count. Do not keep a count of your calories. It is too much work. This is never going to work out, and at the top of it, it is not valid most of the time. Forget calories. Just eat food but limit your food content than usual. The fifth thing is complex carbohydrates and lean protein. Try oats in the morning with a tablespoon of honey prepared with skimmed milk. Later all, tea is so problematic for digestion, therefore it takes too long to digest. Proteins on the other hand will do the same. It will keep your digestive system active for a time. Both of these diets will keep you expanded for a long time. Egg, lamb, fish, and meat protein are too good for weight loss. The sixth thing is cardio workouts. It is very important to complement your diet with workouts. Cardio exercises are able of burning your fat even on your stomach. Stomach fat is the hardest to burn, but torching of stomach fat will begin to initiate just after fat is burnt in the rest of the parts of the body. The seventh thing is plenty of water. Drink a lot of water. Water is the cure-all of life. Keep consuming it often. It gives maximum results if you use it instead of your drinks and sodas. For extreme results, boil water, add a tablespoon of honey and consume it early in the morning. This is a universal remedy for weight loss. It works fine even for people with bad genetics. And finally, follow these steps, you can get natural results fastly. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe.